Hey everyone! Have you ever seen a golden retriever with a truly stunning coat? Today, I'm excited to share some amazing grooming tips that will help your furry friend shine like never before. Grooming goes beyond just looks, it's vital for your golden retriever's overall health. Regular grooming prevents matting and skin issues, ensuring your pup stays happy and healthy. Plus, a well-groomed dog is such a joy to cuddle. 1. Brush your golden at least 2 to 3 times a week. This practice removes loose fur and dirt while distributing natural oils throughout their coat, keeping it shiny and beautiful. 2. You don't need to bathe your golden too often. Every 4 to 6 weeks is usually perfect. Use a gentle dog shampoo to protect their natural oils, and be sure to rinse thoroughly. 3. Keeping those nails trimmed is crucial. Long nails can cause discomfort and lead to joint issues, so aim to trim your pup's nails every 3 to 4 weeks. 4. Golden retrievers are prone to ear infections, so make it a habit to check their ears weekly and clean them gently with a vet-approved solution. 5. Sometimes, it's best to call in the pros. A groomer can assist with de-shedding and knows all the right techniques to keep your golden looking fabulous. Grab a good brush and spend some quality time grooming your golden. Schedule their next bath for a few weeks from now. Check their nails and trim if needed. Don't forget to reward them with treats for good behavior. Look up a vet-approved ear cleaning solution and give those ears a check. One common mistake is overbathing, which can dry out their skin. Stick to the bathing schedule we discussed. Also, ensure you're using the right tools. Human brushes or shampoos can harm their coat. If you're unsure about trimming nails, don't hesitate to ask a vet or groomer for help. So there you have it. With these grooming tips, your golden retriever will not only look beautiful but feel great too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friend happy. No sources collected. Hey there, dog lovers! Are you ready to uncover the secrets to keeping your golden retriever looking stunning? Today, we'll dive into some easy grooming tips that will enhance your pup's natural beauty. Grooming is vital for your golden retriever's health and happiness. A well-groomed coat can help prevent skin issues and strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. Plus, who doesn't love a shiny coat that turns heads at the park? 1. Brush your golden retriever at least twice a week to remove loose hair and prevent matting. Their thick coat can easily tangle, so regular brushing keeps it sleek and shiny. 2. You don't need to bathe your retriever every week. Every 4 to 6 weeks is usually perfect. Use a gentle dog shampoo to maintain their coat's natural oils, and be sure to rinse thoroughly. 3. Golden retrievers are prone to ear infections due to their floppy ears. Check their ears weekly and clean them with a vet-recommended solution to keep them fresh and healthy. 4. Keeping those nails trimmed is crucial. Long nails can be uncomfortable and affect how your dog walks. Aim to trim their nails every month or whenever you hear them clicking on the floor. 5. Don't overlook dental grooming. Brushing your golden's teeth a few times a week helps prevent bad breath and dental issues. Use dog-friendly toothpaste and a soft toothbrush. Start by scheduling regular brushing sessions with your dog. It's a wonderful way to bond while keeping their coat looking